Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your cruise experts, and today I'm on board Carnival's brand new beautiful Mardi Gras. This particular category is an ocean suite. There's quite a few of them. They've got some fantastic space in the room and outside. We'll take you there in just a minute. But when you're ready to book your next room or suite, make sure you do it at harrtravel.com. You can take advantage of the interactive deck plans and pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, or your family, and take advantage of that signature Harr travel service. Let me show you what it's all about. Now, when you walk in the door to the left, you're gonna have this power saving device. Make sure that you put your key card in there all the way. That's gonna activate the power, so you'll have the lights on, and of course the charging stations as well. You're gonna have the climate control right here, and let's head into the bathroom. Now, because it's a suite, it is a bit bigger. You got the toilet tucked in the corner here, magnifying mirror, storage up and down. You got quite a bit of storage underneath here, and a large vanity. Now, I really like this sliding shower door, so you can step in. There's quite a bit of space. I'm 6'6", there's a ton of space for me to move around in here. You've got the shower wand that will adjust up and down as you prefer. And once again, a suite amenity. You've got those upgraded Elemis bath gels and shampoo. You're gonna have the clothesline that pulls across as well, so you can dry your bathing suit after a fun day at the pool or on the water slides. Now, as we head into the space, you can see you have a ton of storage right here. I'm gonna open that up. You're gonna have hanging storage all the way across. You've got your safe, perfect for a small device, passport, wallet, things like that. I love that these drawers pull out. It's a really nice, convenient feature. And then down below, the drawer pulls out as well. And they also have added these great shelving units, so you can customize them. You can put it up and away if you want more hanging space. Now, continuing through, you're gonna have more of that right here. So you can see you have a ton more hanging space, and because it's a suite, you're gonna have those extra comfy robes. You've got a full-length mirror as well. Now, directly across, you've got a large vanity here. You can sit and you've got a backlit mirror to get ready, or you can use it as a writing desk. They've got a charging station here with 3 US plugs and 4 USBs. You've got shelves for storage and more drawers as well. And just below, you'll find your mini fridge. Now, as we continue along, we'll get into the bedroom space. You see you have a really nice, large, comfy bed right here. It can separate apart into 2 twins if that's your preference. There's a ton of space underneath to store your luggage. And on either side, you're gonna have a reading lamp and a USB plug. A really nice feature so you can charge your device overnight. Directly across from there, you're gonna find a large flat panel TV. It's interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television. Now, this is a phenomenal suite for families or small groups traveling together. This curtain does pull all the way across, so it's gonna give you a ton of separation. It's a really nice feature there. Somebody's sleeping in right here, you can turn on the TV or relax in this part of the room. Now, right here, you're gonna find the couch. It does double as bedding, so if you have more than 2 passengers in here, you'll utilize that for this. And once again, this is like a full second bedroom. You've got a reading lamp on the side, storage underneath. You've got an extra chair. You've got drawers underneath here, which is really nice for storage for whoever's staying in here. And another extra large flat panel TV. Traveling with a family, having redundancy is a really good thing. So now we're out on your private veranda. You've got 2 chairs and a table right here. Perfect place to take advantage of that room service menu. Maybe have a cup of coffee in the morning or a cocktail in the evening. But what this is all about is having your own private space. You're gonna have fresh air out here and incredible ocean views. Now, when you're ready to book your next room or suite, make sure you do it at harrtravel.com. You can check out those interactive maps and you can pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group. And we greatly appreciate the opportunity to craft a vacation of a lifetime at an incredible value.